Welcome to Outdoor Skills Made Easy. Today we're going to talk about 2 different fire building techniques that will help you on your next camping trip. The first fire that we're going to demonstrate is a log cabin fire. This fire will burn down slowly, and it's the perfect fire if you're going to sit around the campfire, tell stories, and let the embers burn down. And so we're going to start with a big base. In every fire that you build, you want to start with a smaller tinder in the middle to get the fire going. And in the case of the log cabin fire, because we've got the bigger logs on the bottom, we'll leave a space in the middle to put our tinder. I'll show you how that's done. We're going to make a couple of fuzz sticks that will easily pick up the flames from your match or your lighter. Now we're going to cut some wood that'll be a little bit bigger than our fuzz sticks, and we'll pick up that flame and transfer it to the bigger pieces of wood. Now we're going to use our axe to cut some smaller pieces, but I'm not going to just chop down. That could be a little dangerous, so we're going to place the axe where we want it to go, get it going, and then I'll use another piece of wood. We'll just tap it through. It's always important to get dried materials for your tinder. In this part of the country, there are lots of dried pine needles, which is like nature's gasoline, and we'll use that in the bottom of our fire to help start it. Let's go ahead and build our fire. A grate tinder on the bottom. Then we'll put our fuzz sticks on this. It's important to have oxygen flow through all of your fire so it's not compacted too closely together. Next we'll put some of our smaller wood pieces. We'll go ahead and light that. See how easily that picks up on the smaller tinder? We can add some additional sticks. And as it gets going, we'll build our log cabin around it. So you can see we've got good airflow through the bottom of this log cabin fire. It will burn down to some beautiful embers, and we'll have a wonderful evening talking around the campfire. Now we'll show you a teepee fire. It's going to be a fire that will burn down a little bit quicker if you're planning to use the coals to cook on, and it'll be a little hotter at first, and then you'll have some beautiful coals. So we're going to use the same technique. We're going to start with our small flammables. Put on our fuzz stick that we've made and a lot of shavings. Then we begin our teepee. We'll add a little more tinder here. And then we'll light it up. You can see those pine needles really start up easily. Then they'll catch the fuzz stick and then the smaller tinders. As that gets going, we'll continue with our teepee. And as the fire grows, you can add more and more wood that's a little thicker until you have enough wood that you're going to use as it burns down for cooking a little bit later. We hope that these fire building skills will help you on your next camp out. Join us again at OSMEtv.